What's going on, Caesar? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So I'm really hoping this is the right page because if it's not, then well, whoops, sorry about that. So I had to kind of look at your number and make sure I got the right website. But I think I do. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go through your website. We're not gonna go through the about section. We're gonna go to the homepage and we're gonna see what's going on. So I like your logo. This is great. This is not a drop-down menu, and we don't have your phone number here. We need your phone number up top over here. This is actually really smart. I like that. That's actually really nice. Okay, just going through your painting. You got a big picture over here. Uh, Kind of like a reassurance to your client. Uh, Services you offer: home painting, commercial painting, interior, exterior. Okay, so you talk a little bit about your services. That's great. Um, Cleaning, finishing, decorating, blasting, waterproof, masking. I like this. Okay. Only thing I would say is you might want to, kind of keep to a theme, like what it is you're offering. So like an area. We are San Franciscan Bay. San Francisco Bay Area? Is that how you spell that? Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay. Good number. Solid. I would say more specific. Um, Content is what I would probably want to look at. But let's just, I don't know what this is. Hold on. There we go. Domain. So we're gonna look at your whole website, not the back end of your website. That means I gotta get rid of that. Okay, so I'm using a tool called Ahrefs. There is still nothing there. It basically lets me look at your website, see what's going on. And right now there's nothing there. So I have nothing really to show you. I will have to talk about keywords though in order for this next part to make sense. So a keyword is what somebody might put into Google to find you, right? Anything anyone puts on Google is a keyword, but we're looking for something that's a little more specific, right? So this, right? Painter, San Francisco. So that means that there's somebody in San Francisco looking for a painter. Now, this is also how you create Google Ads. So right off the bat, when we type that in, we have Google Guaranteed. We got an ad for CertaPro, and then finally we have our GMB Google My Business profile. Very important to have that because typically about 30-40% of all people will click on one of these three guys. So website's very important. And then finally we have our organic search. Anyone can rank here as long as you know what you're doing. So we got a whole bunch of directories. Yelp. I don't even know what SFist is, but it's 15 best, so we don't care about those. We got Diamond Certified Org. They're number one, but this is actually a back page. So I'm pretty sure they don't just serve this area, they serve multiple areas. I think it's very messy. I think this is more of a blog idea almost. So I mean, but hey, they're ranking top. So how do you beat out people like this? I don't even know what I'm looking at. This might be. Oh my God. This is a blog as well, or not a blog. It's mostly, just like uh, somebody who shows what other top-rated painting service is. So it's for other people. So I think the only one, oh my God, like they're the only real company here. Wow, I'm disappointed. So let's take a look at them. Okay, but give me a second here while I kind of put their back end information over here. So while that loads, I can show you this. So right over here we got SF House Painting, San Francisco House Painting. They have a decent site over here. They have their email, which no one will click on, but they do have their phone number and then their locations and stuff like that. That's very good to have. I just don't care for it. Services is a bit of a drop-down menu, so that's nice. About us, areas we serve, this is great. And then project portfolio and blog. So as we go through high quality local businesses, excellent customer testimonials. If your home is in need of a new paint job, okay, a little bit of a story here with some locations that they're offering. Nice little picture over here and here. The benefits of high quality work, long lasting, I'm sure. And they go through kind of what a good paint job might be. Whole house quotes, exterior painting quotes, book now, excellent. Nothing wrong with having. What I would probably do is I would probably talk a little bit more with the book now down on the bottom, so you have content there as well. Book a custom quote, first name, last name, and kind of your address, and then that's it. So as far as content goes, they're not really doing a lot. You want to talk about what it is you're offering always. If you don't, then you're kind of missing out on stuff. So let's take a look at their back end. So now I can roughly explain what's going on. So they're actually pretty good. I just don't know why they're not ranking higher than this. And that it just might not be one of the words they're ranking high for. But they have a UR rating of 37, which is how strong their website is, and a DR rating of 9, which is how much Google likes them. They also have 1,850 different backlinks. Now, a backlink is where they have their website link, sfhousepainting.com, somewhere else where somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it comes back to their website. They have a low DR rating, honestly, because they don't have as many referring domains. You want like 10%. But anyway, they also have 191 organic keywords, stuff people might associate and kind of rank them for. So only 38 are in the United States out of the 191. They're only ranking for 38 of them. Painting contractor, San Francisco, 100 people a month search for that. They're getting 21 people because they're in position number 3. So as you can see, this is weird. Wrong thing. Let me open that one. Sorry, I was on the diamond certified one. Not exactly what we want to look at. So we're going to look at the keyword, the volume, the traffic. House painting, San Francisco, 300 people a month search for that. They're getting 109 people because they're in position 2. And honestly, that's even in a picture. It's not even like on their website. San Francisco house painting, 300 people a month search for that. They're getting 71 because they're in position 2. 350, they're getting 21 because they're in position 7. All of these are buyer intent keywords because it's location specific and service specific. So they're doing excellent with that. And as you can see, there's a lot that are all pertaining. I don't care about this one, but like this one, Painter San Francisco, 200 people a month search. They're getting 6 of them because they're in position 10. So how does this really help you guys out? All you got to do is we got to add content. With the content comes keywords. Got to add the keywords into the content to make it make sense. And then finally, we got to add backlinks. Cool news is you can take them from the painting company, San Francisco, find out the really good ones they have, and use those because obviously they're doing something right. And that's all I got. Caesar, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have a go, man. Bye.